Let's go. Let's do this. We're gonna drive down the road in the carpool. I got outstanding warrants for my arrest. I don't pay parking tickets. They pay me. Dude, it's so freaking cold. We're gonna that part of summer where it's, you know, starting to not be that warm. As long as no cops see us, we are fantastic. Oh no, we're losing all the water. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, woo. Yeah. We're in the carpool, guys. We're literally going down the road. As you can see it, we are going down the road. There's a cop. Don't mind me. Oh my god, these guys are like, what the fuck? That was freaking wicked. That was freaking wicked. We are literally surfing. We are surfing. That was fucking insane. I got the dude in water.